The United States is on the verge of a recession, with inflation at its highest level in 40 years. Real estate, stock, and bond markets are collapsing, and you're overpaying on your energy bills. Here's what you can do about it. Whole House Fan Company will install revolutionary advanced whole house fans that quietly replace the air in your home, resulting in healthier air quality and running for just pennies a day. It's the smarter way to keep your home cool and comfortable. Here's why. 1. Cool your home and attic by up to 30 to 50 degrees and feels instantly 5 to 10 degrees cooler. With the active ventilation of a whole house fan, the powerful breeze coming through the windows in your home allow you to feel 5 to 10 degrees cooler within seconds of turning the whole house fan on. 2. Save up to 50 to 70% off on AC costs. You are saving tons of money on AC usage due to the energy efficiency the whole house fan brings. AC use can be cut dramatically or even entirely eliminated in specific climate zones with a whole house fan.
Hey, how are you doing that?
Doing what?
You're putting pennies in, man. Mine's only take bills.
With my Quiet Cool whole house fan, I can keep my home comfortable for a fraction of the cost of constantly running the AC.
A fraction, huh?
Yeah, and it's quieter too.
What?
It's quieter too!
Ah.
3. With the insane airflow and an adequately sized whole house fan that can bring into your home, you can say goodbye to cooking odor, pet dander, smoke, germs, gases, and other unwanted airborne annoyances. 4. Extend the life of your AC by up to 30 years and use a whole house fan to cool your home all day long. It will reduce the amount of time your AC is in operation during the year, prolonging its lifespan and the cost to repair or replace your AC system. Whole House Fan Company has been installing whole house fans for more than 40 years. We are the only company that has installed 40,000 of these revolutionary whole house fans in homes across America, ensuring everyone is placed strategically to make your home as comfortable and energy efficient as possible. You'll be able to keep your home at a comfortable temperature all day long without breaking the bank. So, why wait? Click this ad to learn more about our whole house fan installation services. Schedule a free consultation with Whole House Fan Company today.